we are going to turn your love of pinning into pounds. Today we're going to walk through every step you need to go from setting up a business profile on Pinterest to crafting pins so irresistible they practically beg to be clicked. So put the kettle on, grab your favourite mug, no, not that one, and let's dive in. Here's what we're going to cover in today's video. Step 1, creating your Pinterest business account. Don't worry, it is not as boring as it sounds. Step number 2, setting up a blog or a website because you need somewhere to actually send all that traffic. Step number 3, crafting blog posts that are not just engaging but also mildly genius. Step number 4, joining an affiliate program, aka how to actually get paid for your good taste. Step number 5, sneakily inserting affiliate links like a true pro. Step number 6 is going to be designing Pinterest pins that are so good even your gran would click on it. Mind you, my gran clicks on everything. Step number 7, pinning like a Pinterest virtuoso. So let's start with the basics, shall we? You are going to need a Pinterest business account, not because it sounds fancy, but because it actually gives you access to analytics and other goodies that a regular account just doesn't. So head on over to Pinterest, pick business in the top corner and prepare to fill in some forms. Yes, it is a bit bureaucratic, but it is for a good cause, your future fortune. Enter your details, including a business name that doesn't sound like you just made it up on a whim. If you haven't got a website yet, don't panic. We're going to get to that in a minute. Just remember, you're going to need one to do this properly, so don't get too comfy without it. Once you're in, take a moment to admire the dashboard. Those are your tools for success, my friend. You are now officially a Pinterest business person. Congratulations! You have joined the ranks of people who pin with purpose. So step number 2, onto your blog or a website, your very own corner of the internet where you'll funnel all that Pinterest traffic. You can use something simple and straightforward like WordPress or Blogger. These platforms come with enough templates to make it look like you know what you're doing, even if you don't. Spend an hour or two setting it up. No need to go overboard here and design the next Amazon. The goal here is function over form, but a little bit of style never hurt anyone. Now choose a clean, user-friendly template. Think minimalism rather than maximalism. Make sure your site is easy to navigate. They don't want to think that they're playing a game of hide and seek when they're trying to find your affiliate link. Make it clear. And while you're at it, don't forget to add a snazzy about page. It's where you can brag a little bit about your expertise or make something up. Who's checking anyway? So step number 3, now comes the fun part, creating blog posts that do all the heavy lifting for you. Now we're not talking about writing the next great British novel, just sharp, engaging content that gets straight to the point. I use a tool called SEO writing. Think of it as your digital ghostwriter. In 5 minutes, you'll have a blog post that's SEO optimized and looks like you spent hours crafting it. Magic, isn't it? But here is a twist. Don't just churn out generic content. Make sure your posts align with your Pinterest pins. So if your pin is going to be about Western Gothic home decor, then your blog post better be about that, not some random piece on why cats are better than dogs, though that is a debate for another time. Start by researching what is trending on Pinterest using their free business tools. This way you can ride the wave of popular searches, increasing your chances of getting clicked. Once you've got your topic, the rest is easy. Write about products that fit the theme. Throw in some eye-catching images and voila! You've got yourself a blog post that not only looks good, but also has the potential to make you some serious dosh. And remember, the key to a good blog post is relevant. Keep it tight, keep it focused, and keep it engaging. Now, step number 4. With your blog looking all spick and span, it is time to monetize. Affiliate programs are the bread and butter of this operation. I would start with Amazon Associates. It is like the Tesco of affiliate marketing, or the Walmart if you're in America. It offers something for everyone. No matter your niche, you will find products that fit. The beauty of Amazon is that you don't need to worry about shipping or returns. They handle all that messy business while you sit back and watch the commissions roll in. But don't stop there. Look for other affiliate programs that align with your personal interests that you're going to be posting about. Maybe there's a product that you use and you can't stop raving about it. Reach out to that company and see if they have an affiliate program. The more genuine your recommendations, the more likely people are to actually trust your link. And trust equals clicks, and clicks links equal cash. Simple as that. So we're on to step number 5. Now let's talk about the subtle art of inserting affiliate links. So this is where you're going to need to be both clever and discreet, like a marketing ninja. Don't worry, I'm going to help you here. When you're writing your blog post, find natural places to insert your link. For instance, if you're waxing lyrical about the benefits of deep navy walls for that gothic look, why not include a link to some moody wallpaper that you found on Amazon? Make sure your links are highlighted and easy to click. Nobody likes to play Where's Wally or Waldo with affiliate links. Use clear, enticing text like buy this wallpaper here or get the look here. This way your readers know exactly where to click and they will be more likely to follow through. Just don't overdo it. Too many links can feel like you are trying too hard and nobody likes seeing somebody desperate. Step number 6. All right, we are on to the piece de resistance, designing the Pinterest pins. Now, forget the days of slapping together random images and hoping for the best. To really get those clicks, you need to use images that directly represent the products or themes that you're promoting. If you're featuring a particular Amazon product, you can use a photo of that exact product or something that closely resembles it. Now, Canva is your best friend here. It is free, it's easy to use, and it has more templates than you can shake a stick at. Start by selecting a template that catches your eye, then upload your product image. Keep the design clean and the text clear. There's no need to go all Van Gogh with the colours. Remember, the aim is to create a pin that is so visually appealing it is impossible to scroll past. Add some witty text like transform your home into a gothic wonderland and you're good to go. It's not very witty, is it? ChatGPT can help there. Here's a little tip. Try to keep your pins consistent in style. If someone clicks on one of your pins and likes what they see, they are more likely to recognize and click on your other pins if they all have a similar look. It's branding, but without the expense of a marketing degree. Step 7, finally, it's time to pin those masterpieces. Go to your Pinterest business profile, click on Create Pin and upload your image. But don't just stop there. Make sure you're linking it back to the exact blog post that discusses the product or theme featured in the pin. The title and description should match the pin image perfectly. So when people click, they are taken exactly where they expect to go. No bait and switch here. Leave that to the tabloids. As you pin, keep in mind that Pinterest algorithms change more often than the British weather. One day they love affiliate links, the next day they don't. So always have a backup plan, like using your blog as a middleman to keep things all above board. And remember, it's not about pinning and forgetting all about it. Check back regularly to see what is working and what's not. Adjust your strategy accordingly, and then before you know it, you'll have a Pinterest presence that is the envy of the neighborhood. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Pinterest affiliate marketing that is not only practical but also profitable and will last you in the long term. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up or just shout cheers in the comments. Remember, the key to success is making sure that your Pinterest pins, blog content and affiliate products are all perfectly aligned. Happy pinning, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll probably be discussing how to spend all that extra cash you'll be making. Cheers!